Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make jerk salmon updated. Pat salmon dry, then press a jerk paste of allspice, thyme, Scotch bonnet, garlic, brown sugar, soy, and lime into fillets. Marinate briefly. Preheat grill or oven to medium-high. Oil the grates or sheet and cook skin side down until caramelized and flaky. Roughly 8 to 12 minutes depending on thickness for perfect texture and glaze. Start by making the jerk paste with scallions, garlic, ginger, allspice, cinnamon, nutmeg, brown sugar, soy sauce, lime juice, and Scotch bonnet pepper blended to a coarse paste. Taste and adjust heat carefully, remembering you can add more Scotch bonnet but not take it away. Use the paste to coat salmon evenly, pressing into flesh, and let flavors develop for at least 20 minutes before cooking to achieve a balanced, spicy glaze. If you're enjoying this, please subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful. It really supports the channel and helps. Quick recommendation: automobile life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice as a fun kitchen companion or roadside treat and enjoy fresh scents. Check the description for the link and other deals. And thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. For grilling, clean and oil grates, then cook skin side down over medium-high heat until skin crisps and the flesh firms, about 8 to 10 minutes. Flip once if needed. For oven cooking, roast at 425 degrees F on a sheet with foil for 10 to 14 minutes depending on thickness. Finish with a squeeze of lime, chopped cilantro, and a light brush of reserved marinade reduced into a glaze for shiny, layered flavor.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.